Hello everyone. In today's tutorial video, we are going to show you how to view and manage your personal Do Not Contact list from within your DialMyCalls account. To get started with your personal Do Not Contact list, from your DialMyCalls dashboard, click on the My Account icon in the top right corner and then select My Do Not Contact List from the drop-down menu. Every DialMyCalls account will be able to add individual phone numbers to an account-specific Do Not Contact list. Click on Add Numbers to begin adding contacts to this list. When adding numbers to your personal Do Not Contact list, you will have the option to block calls, texts, or both. Select the type of broadcast you would like to block the numbers from receiving, and then add one 10-digit phone number per line. You can add and remove phone numbers from your personal Do Not Contact list at any time. DialMyCalls employees cannot remove phone numbers from your Do Not Contact list. Any number that is on your personal Do Not Contact list will not receive the messages they are blocked from. Even if they're already in your contacts, they will be automatically skipped when you go to send out a broadcast. That concludes our tutorial video. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to contact us toll free at 800-928-2086 or send an email to sales@dialmycalls.com. Thank you and have a great day.